Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create the cinematic color grading for free only by using CapCut. So here, what you need to do is add your videos and then go to adjust and you can follow the settings. So for the contrast, increase it to 13, saturation around 29, and the brilliance increase it to 6, and then the sharpness 30, and then go to the highlight and lower it to -20, and shadow increase it to 20. Click on the fade and add around 6. Okay, and now the last step is go to filter and find the movies category and then add the green orange filter, this one. Add it around 70 or to your liking, but I'm going to just go with 65. Click on a check icon and there you go. This is the cinematic warm color grading. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.